Now, the next morning, that Friday, what time did you wake up?
Probably like 9, I think. I'm not sure exactly.
All right. And who was at the house when you woke up?
My dad.
Did you ask your dad where Tim was?
Yes.
Okay. What did he say?
I think he had said he was at work or something already. I don't remember exactly.
Okay. He said he was at work?
Hold on. I believe one of the jurors couldn't hear you. Can you repeat your last answer?
I think he had said he was at work, but I'm not exactly sure. I can't remember that day that very well.
Did your dad ask you if you heard anything that night?
Yes.
Okay. And what did you say when your dad asked you if you heard anything that night?
I told him yes, I had.
All right. Did you tell him what you heard?
I can't really remember exactly what I said to him.
You told him you heard something?
Yeah.
Okay. And what did he say when you told him you heard something?
Trying to remember. Sorry.
It's okay.
I think it was just something along the lines that saying to me that I hadn't heard it or something.
Okay. Would it refresh your recollection to look at your grand jury testimony?
Yes.
Hold on 1 second. You're talking too low, so some of the jurors can't hear you. Can you repeat that last
Yes,
question
Your
and
Honor.
answer it again? Thank you.
All right. And what did your dad say to you when you told him you heard some noise?
He had said something, I can't remember like exactly along the lines of that I hadn't heard it or.
Would it refresh your recollection to look at your grand jury testimony as to what your dad said when you told him you heard the noise?
Yes.
All right. And for the record, I'm going to refer defense to the grand jury testimony November 14th of 2023, page 35, line 2. Your Honor, may I approach?
Sure.
And just read this to yourself. This is page 35. Let me start right here at the top and go to 7. 1 through 7. Okay, does that refresh your recollection?
Yeah.
Okay, what did your dad say to you when you told him that you heard a noise the night before?
To say that I was sleeping and I hadn't heard anything.
All right. Did he also say that's all you need to remember?
Yes.
Okay. So he said you were sleeping, that's all you need to remember.
Yes.
All right. Were you upset after that happened?
Yes.
Okay. Why?
Just because I was confused.
Because your dad said that to you? You were confused?
Yes.
All right. Now, were you awake when your dad went to the landfill that morning?
No, I don't believe so.
All right. Did you help him load anything on his trailer?
No.
Now, after you woke up and your dad said that to you and you were confused, did you text Layla, who was your best friend at the time, that morning?
Yes.
All right. And why? And did you text Layla throughout that day, trying to meet up with her?
Yes.
Okay. And why were you trying to meet up with Layla?
To talk to her.
Okay. What did you want to talk to her about?
Just how I felt about everything.
Okay.
Just like wondering why he was acting that way.
All right. You wanted to talk to her about what was happening with your dad?
Yes.
And did you text her that you wanted to talk to her?
Yes.
Now, while you were waiting to hang out with Layla, did you do anything with your dad that day?
I believe I went and had lunch with him.
Okay. Was that later on in the afternoon or
I think
lunchtime?
so, yeah.
Okay. Where'd you guys go?
I believe Ivy.
Ivy?
Was it Ivy? Yeah.
All right. Is that downtown in Ocala?
Yes.
And what did you do after you and your dad went to lunch?
I'm not exactly sure. I think I might have gone over her house at that point.
Okay.
Or went home.
All right. Do you remember previously saying you both went home and took a nap?
Yes.
Okay. Is that what happened?
Yes.
Okay. During the lunch you had with your dad, did you talk about anything that he had said that morning?
No.
And did you actually meet with Layla that day and talk to her about it?
Yes.
Before you went to see Layla, did you go to Laredo's where you used to work?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Why did you go to Laredo's?
I can't remember the exact reason why I went there. I think it was just because I was waiting for Layla.
All right. Would it refresh your recollection to see what you said at the grand jury back in November of 2024 about why you went to see Allison?
Yes.
And for the record and defense counsel, I'm referring to the grand jury testimony, November 14th of 2023, page 43, lines 17 through 22. Again, just read this to yourself. Lines 17 through 23.
Okay.
Does that refresh your recollection?
Yes.
Okay. Why did you go to Laredo's to see your friend Allison?
To just tell, I needed a hug from her because I was upset.
Okay. What were you upset about?
Just how him and Tim had been lately.
Okay. So you went to see Allison to get a hug because you were upset how Tim and your dad had been lately.
Yes.
Okay. And then after that, you went to your friend Layla's house.
Yes.
And did you talk to her about the noise you had heard the night before?
Yes.
Now, did you learn later on that Friday that Tim was actually missing and hadn't gone to work?
Yes.
And how did you find out about that?
I believe my dad told me.
All right. Were you concerned?
Yes.
Okay. And did you go home after you were at Layla's after you found out that Tim was missing?
Yes.
And was your dad there?
Yes, I believe so, yeah.
And sometime that evening, did your dad ask you to drive him to the apartment?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what time that was?
Not exactly sure.
Okay. Was that later in the evening?
Yes. It was later in the evening.
And do you know why he asked you to drive him to the apartment?
I can't remember why he said.
And did you drive him there?
Yes.
Did you go in your car?
Yes.
And did he say why he needed to go to the apartment?
To pick up his gun.
Pick up whose gun?
His gun.
Your dad's gun?
Yes.
Okay. Had you ever been to the apartment before this time right now?
No.
Okay. So you drove your dad to the apartment, and what happened when you got to the apartment?
I believe he got out and got the gun out of the Jeep.
So where did you pull up?
I pulled up behind the Jeep.
Behind the Jeep. Did you get out of the car?
No.
All right. Did your dad go directly to the Jeep?
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then what did he do at the Jeep?
I think he grabbed it out of the front seat of the passenger. I can't remember exactly.
Okay. What did the gun look like?
It was black, I believe.
Did he tell you why he needed to get this gun?
He just didn't want to leave it in the Jeep.
All right. Did he lock up the Jeep when he was done?
I think so.
Okay. And then what happened? What did he do?
I believe he got back in the car.
Okay. And then where did you go?
Went home, I believe.
All right. Did your dad ever tell you where his key was to get into the apartment?
I believe it was like a couple weeks ago. Was talking about that Tim had it, taken it back or something.
Okay. He said Tim had taken the key back?
Yes.
All right. Now, when you went there that Friday with your dad, you said you didn't get out of the car?
No.
Okay. So did you go up to the front door and try to get in?
No.
Did you knock on the front door?
No.
Did you look in the windows?
No.
Did your dad go up to the front door and look in the windows?
I can't remember if he did.
You
I
didn't
don't
do
believe
that?
so. No.
You don't believe he did?
No.
He just got the gun out of the Jeep and then you guys left?
Yes.
Is the reason that you didn't go up and knock on the door or look in the windows because you already knew that Tim was dead?
No.
Now, sometime that Friday, before you got home, did your dad ask you to stop at a gas station so he could throw away a pill bottle?
Yes, I believe so.
All right. Do you know what was in the pill bottle?
No.
Did he say why he wanted to throw away the pill bottle at a gas station?
I just think he said something about just not wanting to throw away at the house.
Okay. He said he didn't want to throw it away at the house.
I believe so, yes.
All right. So you stopped at a gas station and he threw it away.
Yes.
All right. Did you try to call Tim or text him that Friday?
I don't believe so.
Okay.
Or I can't remember exactly.
All right. So that Friday you didn't try to call or text him, and then you didn't check the house when you guys went there on Friday night?
Yes.
All right. Had Tim ever disappeared before, not shown up for work, and not told anybody where he was?
No.
Now I want to move on to the following day, which was Saturday, March 25th of 2023, when they found Tim. Did you go to work that day?
Yes.
And that was the Murphy gas station?
Yes.
And how did you learn that they had found Tim's body?
My dad and his friend had come and told me.
Was that with Tammy Warner?
I believe so, yes.
And where did you go? They came to Murphy gas station?
Yes.
All right, and where did you go after that?
To the apartment.
Where they had found Tim's body?
Yes.
Okay. And then did you talk to the police there?
Yes.
Did you eventually go home?
Yes.
Did you have any idea how Tim had died at that point?
No, not exactly.
Now I want to move on to the next day, Sunday, March 26th of 2023. On that day, did you learn that Tim's death had been ruled a homicide?
Yes.
How did you find out?
I believe my dad told me.
And did you and your dad start getting rid of Tim's things on Sunday?
Yes, I believe so.
And how did that happen? How did that start?
He had just said that he wanted to start cleaning stuff up.
Okay. So it was your dad's idea?
Yes.
And what sort of things were you and your dad throwing away?
I believe it was like clothes and stuff. I can't remember exactly.
All right. Did you throw away any of his like snacks and medications and vitamins that were in the kitchen?
Yes.
All right. And you said clothes. What about knickknacks and little beach things that he had?
Probably, yeah.
All right. And what about some portraits that were on the wall that were professionally taken of you and Tim and your dad? Did those get taken down?
Yes.
All right. Who took those down?
I believe my dad.
Okay. And they were going to get thrown away as well?
I'm not sure if they got thrown away or not.
Okay. They were taken down, though?
Yes.
Now, right around the time that Tim was killed, did your dad get rid of a large area rug that was in one of the living rooms when you walk in the front door?
Yes.
Okay. And why did your dad tell you he got rid of it?
Because the dog's peeing on it a lot.
Because the dogs peed on it a lot?
Yes.
All right, I want to move on to the next day now, which is Monday, March 27th of 2023. That morning, did your dad ask you to help him get Tim's Jeep to the Marion County Sheriff's Office the next day?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And what did he want you to do to help him to get the Jeep there?
I believe follow him.
Okay. So he asked you to follow him. He was going to drive the Jeep, you would follow him, and he would drop the Jeep off at the Sheriff's Office?
Yes.
Okay. Did you agree to help him with that?
Yes.
Later that Monday evening, did you help your dad clean the Jeep?
Yes.
Okay, and how did that happen?
I can't remember exactly. It said something about wanting to clean it.
Okay. It was his idea?
Yes.
Okay, and where did you go?
To AutoZone.
An AutoZone in Ocala?
Yes.
All right, what did you get at the AutoZone?
Some type of cleaning stuff.
And where did you and the defendant or your dad clean the Jeep?
At the house, I believe, in the garage.
In the garage at the house that you lived at? Okay. And the next morning, that Tuesday, did you follow your dad to the sheriff's office to take the Jeep?
No.
Okay. Now, after Tim died, did your dad ever tell you that he needed more money or the life insurance from Tim?
Yes.
Okay. How many times did he say that?
I feel like quite a few.
Quite a few times. All right. What would he say?
I can't remember exactly. It was just different times. It would be like, we just need to get the life insurance money or something.
All right. Did he ever talk about the mortgage on the house, if he could afford that without the life insurance?
Yes, I don't think he could afford it without it.
All right. And after Tim died, did a man named Kevin move into the house with you and your dad?
Yes.
Okay, and who's Kevin?
Their friend.
A friend of Tim and your dad's?
I believe so, yes.
All right. And where did Kevin sleep?
I believe in the main room.
In the main room with your dad?
Yes.
All right. Did your dad ever ask you to lie for him about anything?
Yes.
When did he ask you to lie for him?
When he told me to say that he had been home all night.
Was that Friday morning after
I believe so,
when
yes.
Tim was missing? He said you to say that he was home all night?
Yes.
And what did you say when he told you that?
I can't remember exactly if I don't remember if I like responded or not.
All right. Did you stop asking questions?
I believe at that point, yes.
Okay. I don't have any other questions, Judge. Thank you.